How quickly can you take down and reassemble an AK-47? Well, we've got Quaid with Guns and Gear in Idaho Falls. The first of 3 contestants. Winner gets a box of ammo. 3, 2, 1, go. Clocking in at just 23 seconds. Let's go to the next 2 guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Sitting at 40 seconds. Let's go on to the next one. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my goodness. Coming in at 25 seconds. That was so close to beating Quaid, but he beat you out by 2 seconds. This box of Fiocchi ammo is yours.
Subscribe to Civilian Tactical.